Hey there, Honors Bio. I just want to go over the labeling project that is going to be due at the end of the anatomy unit. So remember that this is for your practice to get you ready for the test. Uh, do not go overboard. It doesn't need to be gorgeous. Everything just needs to be labeled. So here, we're going to start with the digestive system. So during class time, you are taking pictures of all of these organs. And so there should be a section of a packet that you guys make that says digestive system. And then a few pictures of the pig with these labeled. So everything labeled should be by hand. I want to make sure that, so you have a little line, so you print out your picture, you have a little line that you draw and you label mouth or tongue or pancreas or pyloric valve. And then somewhere on the packet you have written out the definition or the function of the organ. All of this by hand for a couple of reasons. One, you learn better when you write. Two, that way you can't email your project to somebody else or just copy and paste. So I want you to actually be writing out these functions to help you learn to label and learn the functions. So here you'll see that this is the digestive system, and this should be in the digestive system section of your packet or a few pages. And this is your urogenital system, so you need both the male and the female. So if you have a female pig, make sure you get pictures of male pigs as well. But what we shouldn't see is the ureter or the urinary bladder or ovaries labeled in the same pictures as these organs or in this section. You can use the same pictures if they show the same organs, but they need to be displayed in the urogenital section. So that way I can go through and check everybody's digestive system, and it should be pretty similar. And then I can go through and look at all of the urogenital systems, and your urogenital system should have all of these organs in it. And then respiratory system right here. So what I want to make sure that you guys know is that you can share pictures with your partner only. You cannot share pictures with other people outside of your partners. And make sure that you follow these directions. So print in black and white. We don't want to overload the printers. Put multiple pictures on one piece of paper. So you don't need to have one piece of paper with one picture. It's unnecessary. It's a lot of ink. So let's put a couple pictures on each page. You can print on both sides of the paper. I'm not going to take points off if you don't or if you do. My idea is to conserve paper and to conserve ink. And so here pictures can be shared between partners only. We talked about that. All labeling should be done by hand, not digital, and handwrite the functions of each organ. And so you can, in each picture, show multiple organs. So on one picture, it would make sense that you have the ureters, the kidneys, and the urinary bladder. You can have all of those labeled on one picture. You don't need a separate picture for each function, for each organ. So for each system, you should have 2 or 3 pictures. If it takes 4 or 5, that's fine. If you can do it in one, that's fine. And so this shouldn't take a huge amount of time, and if you want to start working on it now, then that makes your life easier later. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day.